Hey everybody, this is Zach from Pollack Land and Water. I'm out in Ripon, Wisconsin on the Pollack farm, and I'm out in one of his fields. He is trying out the roller crimper, which is owned by Outagamie Land and Water, but is being rented out by Chris. He's trying it out in his bean field. Unfortunately, he's had to stop for tonight to milk cows, so I won't be able to get an extensive amount of footage, but I have a little bit. For those who are wondering, I can just do a brief run through. The roller crimper is a tool that farmers are using to mechanically terminate cover crops. So instead of spraying Roundup, which would be a chemical means of killing their cover crop, the roller crimper is one tool that can be used to mechanically kill the cover crop. And what it does, as you'll see in the footage, is it's just this big rolling cylinder with metal grooves on it, and it rolls over the plant and it crimps it. And I can show you here in a second what that looks like. Okay, so it's not actually the rolling over the plant that kills it. It's actually that crimping. So you can see here how the plant stem has been snapped. This will prevent the nutrients from effectively flowing or moving up through the stem of the plant and into the head where the seeds are reproduced. So that is right there. That is effectively what will kill the plant.